What's up and welcome back to Hayah'z. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Maveli on a bottle. This is an Onam bottle craft. So before the video starts, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button and press the notification bell. Select all so you never miss a video. And let's get on to the video. So at first you will need to draw Maveli. So I had put out a video for how to draw Maveli on my channel. I'll link it down below in the description so you can check it out. Next, take some clay and start molding it into the shape of Maveli and put it onto the paper. So I have molded some clay for the lower clothes and I've also molded some clay to make the stomach. You can take a toothpick or a pencil and make a hole so that it looks like a stomach. And you can shape it around the edges with the toothpick. Now I'm making the rest of the upper body. And making a strip of cloth. Next, take some clay and make it into the shape of a shawl. Place it starting from the shoulders and just shape it to look like a shawl. Now I'm keeping a small piece of clay as the hand. Now I'm taking some clay and putting it as the feet and shaping the toes. Next, I'm going to make the chains around his neck. And I kept a gem on the chains. Now I'm going to shape the face. First, make some holes for the eyes and for the nose. And keep some pieces of clay in the shape of eyes and a nose. Now shape some clay like a moustache and keep it on his face. And then the eyebrows. And keep the small bindis. Next, place small pieces of clay for the ears. And keep small strands of hair from under the crown and the rest of the hair. Next, we're going to keep a bangle on the hand. I also shaped some clay to look like a crown and some other accessories. And for the shawl as well. Now let it dry. My clay has dried, and for the skin you're going to need a little bit of red, some yellow and a lot of white. I have got the correct skin color. For the shawl or the dupatta, take some dark red and color it. Color the accents using yellow. And for shading, take some red plus black and make dark red and use it. For the chain and the crown, use yellow. For the lower cloth part, take the color used for skin with a lot of white. For the thin strip of cloth, use green plus yellow, and for the accents, use yellow. Color the hair under the crown with black. and color the gem on the crown with red. Color in the eyebrows and the mustache with black and the rest of the hair as well. For the eyes, put some white and take a black marker and mark the eyeballs. I took some gem stickers and stuck them all over so that it looks shiny. Okay, so for the umbrella, take an A4 size paper and fold it in half and cut out a perfect circle. You'll get 2. Now, stick them together. For the color of the umbrella, you'll need red, yellow and white and a bit of burnt umber or brown. Press down the center of the umbrella, folding it a little bit. Then, take the same color with a little more of brown and color some lines. I also decorated it with the gem stickers. Now take some glue and stick a small piece of clay and color it in. And take a toothpick and stick it inside. Here is the umbrella. And here is the final painted Maveli. Next, take your bottle and stick some tape on the areas which you're not going to color so that you can get a straight line. Then color it in. Color all the colors in this way. Cut out the Maveli by leaving a little space on the sides and stick it on a foam sheet. Next, cut it out in the exact shape. And the Maveli is ready. Now, take your bottle. I printed out Happy Onam and cut it and stuck it on the bottle, but you can also write it on. To decorate, I am using some paper flowers. Next, take a piece of foam sheet and roll it and put it inside the bottle. Don't put it in too deep. We are going to stick the Maveli on this foam sheet. So before that, I am going to glue this together. I am sticking it with hot glue. Now take your Maveli and glue it on to the foam sheet. Next, glue the umbrella onto the hand. And the Onam bottle craft is ready. This is the final Onam bottle craft. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.